Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a debit note here in Zoho Books. All right, you actually have the options. The first one is for customers, or for customers debit notes, and the second one is for the vendors. Okay. Now, first up, for customers debit note. Okay. Go ahead over to sales right here, and under invoices, select from one of your invoice. Let's say this one right here. As you can see, this one got a credit note. Now, if you want to add in debit note, just click on three dots right here at the top and just click on create debit note. Okay. Customer name will be added right here. The invoice number, debit note number right here. Just make sure to select a reason. For example, correction in invoice or change POS, you name it. Okay. Debit note date. Don't forget to add in the, again, correct date. And once done, scroll all the way down, review everything, and just click on save and send. Okay, it says here you're about to create a debit note with zero amount, as I haven't added an amount. But if you want to, you go ahead and change the rate right here. Let's say 1,000 or 10,000. Okay, hit on save and send, like so. Once done, hit on send right here, and you should be good to go. And if you want as well, you can go ahead and go to the same exact invoice, click on three dots and lock the debit note. Okay, add in the configuration and the reason for locking, then just click on lock. Now for vendors, so all you'll do is just go ahead over to purchases right here in the left panel as well. Now what you'll do is just go and find bills. Okay, right here, click on bills. Now in here, just basically choose the bill for which you want to create a debit note. For example, this one right here. We're going to click on it. Now, same goes here. Click on three dots. Now just basically select create vendor credits. Okay. In here, just click on proceed and fill in the necessary details. And once done, hit on save and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.